All right, my people, is the hype real? Now, that's what I want to know. Now, I've seen this crazy on everyone on TikTok. People are talking about the Stanley Cup. So, your girl had to go get one. See how huge this sucker is? Huge. I'm not going to lie. It is a 40 ounce. So, I'm going to compare it to my Starbucks that I normally have. I usually have my Starbucks cups. So, look. Let me see. I'm trying to pair right there. Bam. So, Starbucks, this one is a 24 ounce fluid ounce, and this one is a 40 ounce. Now, I do love that this one comes with a handle because how huge it is, you're going to need a handle for this. And one of my favorite things I did notice too, it fits in my cup holder in the car. That was my main thing for me. Like, is it going to fit? Because I know a lot of people advertise it's going to fit and it doesn't fit. But it does fit. Now, the real question, is it worth it? Does it keep your drinks cold? All that good stuff. Now, I do like that you could put hot and cold liquid in here, which I do love. It has the straw. First, I was worried about the straw because I'm used to the Starbucks where, like, if you go like this, it's not going to fall out and you are good. So that was my main thing. So for this one, obviously, I'm not going to do the same thing, but it is a little tight, so it's not going to spill or move. But honestly, I feel like you still got to be careful no matter what. Now, it does have the top where you have the straw, and then you're going to flip it. And you guys see where you could drink your coffee, or you could do this with the straw. Personally, I like it for water, and I was amazed. Because yesterday, I left it for, I would say, maybe like 7-8 hours or more. I can't remember how long hours. But I left it overnight, and when I woke up in the morning, I drank it. It was still icy cold. Now, the ice I had put in it was melted, but it was still cold. I was like, okay. So I would definitely say this cup is worth it, like, to purchase and to buy. Now, is it worth it as far as the price? I would say the quality and everything is not bad. It's pretty good because obviously it is meant to be a little bit more than obviously the Starbucks. I would say this one does keep it colder than my Starbucks. I did test that. Now, I don't know about the Yeti. So whoever does have a Yeti, please let me know if you guys have both and which one keeps your drinks colder. But overall, I would say this is a good purchase. Definitely well worth it because I'm thinking for me, even in the summer, and I do 12-hour shifts. So to me, it's definitely worth it. So that way I'm at work, drinking water, keeping myself hydrated, all that good stuff. And if you work out, definitely even better just to, and it does fit when you work on the little stations, which is really nice. So I do like it. I'm not gonna lie, I do like it. Now, don't forget, if you are like a nurse or a student or whatever, there is like I think it's 20% off. So it just depends if you're going to qualify for it, but definitely give it a try. But if not, I would highly suggest the cup. Not too bad. I would say give it a shot.